I'm going to show you how you can make a 3D donut using Python. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. So, without any more ado, let's start. For making this program, you need to have Python on your computer. If you don't have Python, then you need to download it. So, for downloading, open your browser. After your browser gets open, type python.org. Wait for it to load. So it got loaded. Next, hover above downloads button and choose your operating system. My operating system is Windows, so I will click on Windows option. Now download the Python version which is compatible in your computer from stable releases. So Python 3.8.8 is compatible in my computer, so I will download it. As my computer is 64-bit, I will download the 64-bit version of Python 3.8.8. So click on that, wait for it to download. After it gets downloaded, just click on the downloaded file. If it asks you for this confirmation, click on Run. Choose Add Python 3.8 to Path option. Then click on Install Now. After clicking on Install Now, keep on clicking on Next and then click on Finish. I already have Python in my laptop, so there is no need for me to download it again. So I will close it. After Python gets downloaded in your computer, close your browser. Press the Windows button and type CMD and press enter. Here, type pip install vpython. So this program tells Python to install vpython, which is a package. This package is used to create 3D or 2D models. I'll press enter. So wait for it to download. Yes. So here you see there are many messages for me coming requirement already satisfied because I had already installed this package in my computer. In your computer, it may take a few minutes to install as it is a very big package. So after it gets installed, close CMD. Again press the Windows button and this time type IDLE and press enter. You will see this screen. Press Ctrl N. Now the package what we have downloaded, we need to import it. So we will type from vpython import asterisk. This meaning from the vpython package import everything. Asterisk is a short form for everything. So from vpython import everything. Then type canvas bracket open background equal to color dot purple or any color which you wish. So this so this command tells the canvas function from vpython package to set the background as purple color. You can put any color which you want, and if you want you can also take input from the user and you can put it here. So I will show you how you can take input from the user and put it there. So for that, before this command, type another command named, you can name it as color, equal to input. So inside the inside this type, you can request the user to type the background color. So I will type, so I will write, please type the background color which you want. So this color variable will store the input given from the user. Here you can put the variable as color.color. After this we'll make a variable named as donut. We will make it in the form of a ring. A ring is a shape which you know already. So we'll keep its radius. Let me keep it as maybe 0.5, and let me keep the thickness as 0.25 and the color as vector 400 100 1. So this is the code for white color. So this is the code for white color in vpython package. Then I will make another variable called as chocolate, which is for the chocolate coating above the donut, and I will again make the ring. And let me make the radius. The radius should be bigger than the donut because the chocolate will cover above the donut, so its radius has to be bigger than the donut. So let me give the radius as 0.55 and the thickness as 0.25 and color as vector 0.4 comma 0 sorry I 0.4 comma 0.2 comma 0. This is the code for chocolatey color in vpython package. After this, I will declare a variable named as rad and I will give it the name as 0. Now I will also add an added functionality in which the donut will rotate on its own and just move around in the space available to it. So for that I will make a while loop. While true means this code will always keep on running until this value becomes false. So here let me make the speed of the rotation as, maybe let me keep it as 10, and then I will change the position of it. So it will be donut dot POS is a short form for position, here I will give vector. So you can remove these two brackets here by mistake. Vector 3 into cos rad, and here you can give sine of rad comma 0. So now we will give the position for the chocolate. Dot position will be vector again, it will be 3 into cos rad. So this values will be same because the chocolate coating should stick with the donut. So I do it as 0, and then I will give it as rad equal to rad plus 0. Rad plus 0.03. So I will explain. So first let me run the program and check it. So for running, go to run and then click on run module, click on OK, and then I will save it on desktop, and I will give the name maybe as I'll just give it a simple name of donut, a very simple name I will, and then click on save. It will be automatically saved. So it will ask me for the background color. So let me give it as purple. You can use any other color you want. You can use purple, magenta, red, black, any other color. You can experiment with that. So after giving a click enter. So there is an error. So I will explain to you what was the error. So it is basically that it is compulsory for this to be hard coded, which means we cannot put a variable name inside it which will store the color. So I did this purposely to explain to you that you cannot store a variable, you cannot put a variable here. So I will just remove this, and here let me give the color as purple. You can give any other color. So and then I will run it again, and module, I will click OK and then wait for it to run. So yes, so it will show you this there is, don't be worried about seeing a security alert. It's nothing that security. Actually this is opening.
Well, you can allow answers totally on you. Allow it. If you give allow access, it will take some time to load. So we'll give it the time to load.
So in my computer, it's taking some time to load. We'll give that time. It's totally okay. Yes. So meanwhile, let it load. Till then, I will show you this. So you can see this, how it is moving. So you can check it. It will not go like this. It will not go by stopping in the middle. It will go smoothly, but but there is some problem with my computer actually, so it is going like this. Otherwise, if your computer is perfect and it's if your computer is perfect, then it will go smoothly. It should go smoothly. So, so this was the output. So I will explain to you the code again. Okay. So I will just stop its execution for now. So I will just go here and will stop the execution and see. You can I press Control C to stop the execution and this stopped. So after this you can close this. It will open on your browser. It can open on any browser except Internet Explorer, because in Internet Explorer it will not allow to open any local host. So that you have to take care of. So I will close this. So I will explain to you the code again. Okay. So the first line is from VPython import asterisk. So this line means that from the VPython package import everything. Asterisk is the shortcut for everything. The second one is canvas in parentheses background equal to color dot purple. So this command sets the background color of the canvas to purple, and remember this has to be, and remember you cannot put a variable name in this. So so then the next command, this one, tells the tells the ring method from VPython package to create a ring of radius 0.5, thickness 0.25, and the color should be white. So the code for white color is vector 400 for VPython package, and it will store this entire thing in the donut. And so this next command is chocolate, which is for the chocolate coating. This also contains the same logic as the above one. So here it contains only the radius bigger because it has to put over the donut. So it has to have a bigger radius, and then it will have the other things will be same of thickness, color. Only the color and the radius will be different, and the thickness will be same in case of donut and chocolate. In color, it will be chocolate color, which chocolatey color, and the code for chocolatey color is this. And this rad will be equal to 0, so that we can change the so that we can change its position, so that we can change the donut's position whenever we want. So that's why I've made it dynamic. So while true makes a while loop to be continued to be continued to be continued infinitely till the value becomes false. The rate will be at 10. Then it will set the position of the donut to this to vector 3 into cos rad and sin rad 0. So if vector, so this like that. So remember, okay, so this one. So after this, it so the next program sets the position of the chocolate to this, and then and after this we increment the radian to be increased by 0.03 every time the while loop continues. So there is a shortcut for this, so I will just write it as a comment here. So the shortcut for this, you can write it as rad plus equal to 0.03. So I'll put it in a new line if you want. So so we will test this one, and I'll remove this one. I'll just comment this. The inter commenting means the Python will ignore this and not run this. So I will just put a hashtag in front of this and say comment. Then remove the hashtag from here and it will be like that. So let's try this. I'll give the same thing, run module, okay, and then let's wait for it. So it will open Chrome automatically. Once you have given allow access, it will not ask again and again the same thing until you close the editor. So here it is loading, I think so. Yes, you can see this.
In your computer it will go smoothly, but my computer has some problem, so it is going like this. For that, so to stop it, just go to the Python 3.6 point. Just go to the Python shell and just press Ctrl C. Let it stop. It will stop here, and then you can close this, and then so this is the code. So both of them will run. Either of them you can choose. So I prefer this one because it's a shorter one. Okay. So yeah. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and please share it to your friends so that they can also get to know about this amazing program. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So see you in my next video. Bye.